So if you're a coach or a marketing agency owner, you know everyone nowadays are using paid ads to scale their services. But 99% of the coaches and agency owners are doing it the wrong way and they're just burning money on paid ads. So recently, I've generated 70 plus appointments for one of my clients in just 1 week. And today in this video, I'm going to show you everything how I did it. Hello everyone, this is Sanskar Pani. I'm the founder of the Scale Service. We help agency owners and coaches to build profitable acquisition systems and delivery systems for their businesses. At any point of this video, if you think we can help you out in building acquisition system, then you can book a call with us and we'll discuss like how we can help you out. So let's start. So here is the proof. You can see over here. Okay, let me just put it here. Okay, that's great. You can see the appointments and let me show you the budget. Okay, so we have generated, this is results per schedule. You can see over here. So these are the appointments, is 70 plus appointments, and you can see the per the result, cost per result. Okay, 163 and 200. Okay, this is per website schedule. So these are appointment cost, and here you can see the amount spent. Okay, so let me show you how I did it. So we use basically a system called AAMS, that is AI Appointment Marketing System, and this is the most efficient system that I have discovered to run paid ads, whether it is Meta ads, whether it is YouTube ads, no matter what. So paid ads, many of the people just think that Facebook ads or Meta ads, or like basically Facebook and Meta are the same, and YouTube ads are just, there is some magic like in targeting and interest and something like that that will like blow up their like appointment setting and all this stuff. But only the only the source, or only the like Facebook ads, only the YouTube ads will not help you to get more appointments. It is the proper funnel, it is the proper system that will help you to generate more appointments, generate more leads. Okay, so I'll discuss everything about this. Okay, so let's talk about the first step. Obviously, this is the paid ads. Okay, this is the paid ads. I have the whole thing over here. Okay, so let's talk about the first thing. Now, most of the people are just doing the paid ads the wrong way. Okay, now what most of the people are doing is, for example, let's say I'm targeting the real estate industry. Okay, so what they are doing is they're basically, are you a realtor? So are you facing with this problem? I can help you out with this. Book a call with me now. Oh, sorry, book a free consultation with me now. Okay, so this is one of the wrong way to like, not the wrong way, basically this is one thing that everyone is doing. Now what is different about this? Okay, why should, like, people are just used about it, like, oh, I am a realtor, oh, I have this problem, like they're very skeptical about this, like, why should I like, even click in this video? I don't want like free consultation anymore. Like, obviously this is the kind of like market saturation. Okay, the market sophistication level is in the 5 level. Okay, so it is kind of like crazy and people are just repeating it. So you have to be different, you have to show your creativity, you have to add some humor in your paid ads so that you will stand out from the crowd. Like, people will stop their scroll, like, what the hell is this man is doing, let me check it out. Okay, so you have to be creative with your ads. Okay, use some humor, use some odd angles, use some scripts, use some skits. Okay, try to make as much funny, as much creative. How can I be more creative? How can I deliver my message to the target audience with humor, with creativity? Okay, that's where people will see you, that's where your CTR will increase. CTR is basically click through rate. Okay, so you have to aim for like 2 to 3% of CTR. Okay, you don't have to aim for like 10% or 20%. That is unrealistic. Okay, you have to aim for 2 to 3% CTR. And the major part is you have to test multiple ads. Okay, as Alex Hormozy said, like, you have to, like, most of the top advertising agency, what they mostly do is they test different ads. Okay, they test 100 of like 10, 20, 30, 40 ads in just 1 week. So they will find a winning ad out of there. Okay, and once they find that one winning ad, that will set you off for the rest of the marketing life. Okay, so you have to find that one ad. To find that one ad, you have to make multiple ads. Okay, so focus on creating multiple ads. And the fifth point is really, really, really necessary. Qualification begin here. Okay, what do I mean by that? Most of the people, what they do is basically they tell, book a call with me and like, book a call with me to get a free consultation. Okay, What happens is most of the people who are like lost, who don't have money, who are not qualified, they think, oh my god, he's giving a free consultancy, let's go and book a call with him. Okay, but you have to specify that I'm helping this type of people. Okay, if you want my help in this, here are my results, here are my testimonials, here are my case studies, here is my system. If you want my help, then only go ahead and book a call. Okay, you have to tell them that, either you tell them to see the VSL, or you can tell them to like directly tell them that you have if you have this problem, then just book a call with me, so that you can check like if you are a good fit, or if we can help you out or not. Okay, if you show good case studies, good testimonials, you have a good system, then people will definitely click on that, and people will definitely book an appointment with you. But the main thing here is, those people who will book appointment with you are qualified people. Okay, that is the main motto. Okay, so this is all about paid ads. Okay, so let's talk about the funnel. So I'm going to talk about the CAA funnel formula. Okay, so what you have to do is, C stands for curiosity. Okay, let me tell you like how you can how should like the landing page should look like. Okay, let me go here. So let's say this is your landing page. Okay, here should be your headline. Okay, and your headline should be intriguing enough so that people will click on that. And then what you have to do is, you have to put a thumbnail over here of your VSL, and here will go the sub points, and here you can put the CTA. Okay, CTA. Now the major part is this headline. Okay, headline is really important, and you have to write a good headline. It should be small. Okay, it should also tell like, for example, I'm telling you how we can help you to reach $100,000 a month. Simple but intriguing, like how he'll help me. For another example, okay, how my client scaled to $10,000 a month with just 30-minute video or 3-minute video. People will like think, oh my gosh, bro, like 3-minute video and he scaled to 30 like $10,000. Like how, man? I want to know about that. Okay, so this is how you should like structure your headlines. Okay, your headline should be like curious enough that people will click it. So main, that's why I named it like curiosity page, because it should create some curiosity inside of the viewer, inside of the audience. Okay, and mysterious subpoints. Now here maybe you can say five things to avoid in paid ads, uh, 30-minute video secret, or something like how to run ads without spending money, like something like that. That will like generate some curiosity inside of the people, enormous amount of curiosity, so that people will click it. And in the thumbnail, you have to create the thumbnail like with like more CTR. Okay, like for example, you can show them some systems. Like for example, you can just put it like this. Okay, so people like think, oh my gosh, what is this? So what is this system? People are really like curious about knowing different systems, knowing different functions in the online business. So if you put the system in the thumbnail, people will click it. Oh my gosh, I need to understand about the system, let's click it. And if you have a good headline, people will 110% click it. After that, you have authority page. Okay, authority page have basically short VSL, 7 to 10 minutes, that's it. After the VSL, you have to put like call booking link. Okay, that is basically the CTA. Then you have to put the proofs that your system actually works. Okay, because without proof you don't build the authority. You have to put the proof that yes, my system actually works. Then you should mention that why they should book a call with you, and what will happen in the call. Why should they even give a first thought about booking a call with you? Okay, now in the fourth thing is why they should work with you. You have to mention the what you have done, what you have done for your clients, and what are the best results that you have achieved for your clients, so that people will like understand your value, and you will build an authority before they will come into the sales call. So it is really necessary to have a good authority page. Now after the authority page, you have action page, basically CTA, call booking. Okay, you have to put the call booking calendar, and you have to mention that book a call with us to see if we can help you to get dream outcome in time. For example, book a call with us to see if we can help you to scale you $10,000 a month in 15 days or 30 days or 60 days or whatever it is. Okay, so this is a basic formula I'm telling you. You can tweak it according to you. And in the calendar, you have to like qualify them that what is their income, what is their goal, what is their service. Even like you have to understand about the service, then only you can like understand if you can help them to scale or not. Okay, so you can qualify them based on the calendar questions. Okay, now after that we have nurture with AI. So it is important because a lot of people, let me tell you this, a lot of people maybe see your curiosity page, okay, and they will go to your authority page. But definitely many of them, not most of them, many of them will not book a call with you. Okay, here you can see people will not book a call with you. So you have to have a system that will send them follow-ups. It is really really necessary. Otherwise you will be losing a lot of customers, a lot, I'm telling you. So you need to have a follow-up system in place so that people who will not book a call with you will get your messages, get your emails, okay, and again go to the action page and book a call with you. And also you can, in the follow-up messages, you can have some content assets in place in YouTube, and you can send them, okay, if you are having this problem, watch this video. Okay, have you fixed this problem? Okay, you might have this problem, then watch this video. So you need to have like content assets in place. It is really important. So after this, so I'm telling you about the nurture, how to nurture people using AI. Okay, so first thing is, what I use, I use FOMO in my follow-up messages. Okay, I tell that even though my system is one of the best systems in the entire like planet, I know my system is the best. So because I've like generated a good amount of results from it, I create FOMO that a lot of people are burning ads. But with our system, people are like getting 10x ROS, 12x ROS, 16x ROS, and people are actually getting the results. And not I'm just not telling in like the air or what the I'm not just selling the lies. So people are actually getting like 10x ROS and 16x ROS, and I give a case study of them. I give a testimonial of them. So people will like believe in that, and also it will create a FOMO in their mind. Oh my gosh, this person is getting so much, and like, am I like getting behind this? Am I using paid ads the wrong way? Am I not able to scale or whatever it is? I create a psychological barrier. I create a psychology around that, around my system, that my system is the best, and you can't find my system anywhere else. So the second point is use AI to send personalized appointment reminders. Bro, it is really important. Now, a lot of people will book a call with you, but you have to have a proper system that will get them from call booking to actual call. Because I have seen this problem with a lot of my clients. They have very 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 low show up rate. Okay, so what we basically do is we basically introduce AI inside of the appointment reminders. So what it will do, I'll tell you. For example, I have a question in the calendar that what is your biggest problem in a business. Okay, they give, oh my god, my biggest problem is leads. Example, okay, my biggest problem, I am not getting enough leads. And what we do is we take this problem, we put it into chat GPT. Okay, GPT, and feed chat, we tell, give the chat GPT prompt that we have this solution or this service, and this xyz person xyz person is having this problem. Okay, now based on our expertise, tell them how we can help them to solve this problem. Okay, it will give the solution. Okay, and according to that we'll send them the reminder that, okay, you have this problem, we have this solution, and make sure to show up at this time, the appointment time, and we'll help you to solve this problem as soon as possible. So it is personalized for every single person, every single prospect. so that they will get a message that, oh my gosh, this person is like doing some great study. By the way, it is all about AI. You have to understand the like, how to do the smart work using AI. Okay, so people will like think like, oh my gosh, this is person thinking about me. I should go into the call because they might have something really really valuable. Okay, this is the thing. This is what you have to play. It's all about psychology. Okay, then what I do is I use an indoctrination sequence. It's really important. In indoctrination sequence, I pre-sell them. I pre-sell them. How I pre-sell them? I tell them about my story. I tell them about my clients' success. Okay, how I get a lot of great results for my clients. Okay, and based on that, I maybe send a lot of time. I may send some like content assets and all the stuff, so that like exclusive content assets that I haven't put it on YouTube. Like I have put it in unlisted. I give them that, and they will like basically I use that content asset to nurture them so that people will like understand about my service, understand about my offers, and how I operate, how I deliver clients my results and all the stuff. So basically, indoctrination sequence is basically for increasing show operate and pre-sell them. This is the whole point of indoctrination sequence. Okay, then I send reminders, follow up in multiple channels. This is one of the important stuff. What? Okay, let me tell you one thing. Okay, one of my client is facing really really low show up rate, and they are just sending reminders on SMS and email. So what I did is I just blocked SMS. I stopped sending reminders on SMS, and I started sending reminders on WhatsApp. Instantly, they jump from 40% show up rate to 85% show up rate. That is the difference. Like you have to test multiple channels so that you'll understand where your prospects are hanging out the most. It's important. Okay, so you have to test different like multiple channels, and you have to send multiple follow-ups and like multiple channels so that people, you can also send them on follow-ups so that people will like book a call with you, and when they book a call with you, you can send them the reminders, and the reminders should be also strategically uh, structured as I told in indoctrination sequence. So I have different uh, follow-up sequences, reminder sequences for different channels. So yeah, we'll get on that on the later videos, definitely. Okay, and before getting in the sales call, make sure to add some personal touch. You can just grab your phone and tell like, "Hey, I saw that you have booked a call and you have this problem, and I will be really really excited to help you out with this. And I think we can do this, and let's get on a call on Saturday 7 p.m. and I'll help you to solve this problem." Okay, something like this. Something like you can just send a video or send a text message or something like that. Give a personal touch before getting into the sales call so that people will like have people will have a connection with you before getting the sales call. Like they will actually think like you really care about that, and you should care about them. Okay, before getting in the sales call. So if you can basically do this, your show up rate will go up. Okay, your show up rate will go up, your appointments will book faster, and you will get qualified appointments, I'm sorry. Okay, so if you think we can help you out in building your acquisition system, like AMS, AI appointment reminder system, is the only system in India that we are providing. Okay, no one else is providing AI appointment reminders, AI appointment marketing system. Okay, so if you think we can help you out in building this acquisition system, then you will have a link in the description to book a call with us. You can go ahead and book a call with us. Otherwise, you can enjoy the free content. I'll put a ton of like free value for you in YouTube. So make sure to subscribe my channel and like this video and share this with someone whom you need it. Okay, so I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Sanskar, Pani signing out.